Hey, what's up guys? It's Nava Paul from Fashionet Develops. In this tutorial we're going to discuss about numeric operations. SassScripts allow you to perform arithmetic and comparison operation on numeric values. For the most part, operators perform the way you'd expect them to do, but because Sass supports the full syntax of CSS and CSS is declarative rather than procedural language, there are a few places where the syntax can be little bit tricky, guys. Let's take a look of basic arithmetic that I'm going to show you in this example. So I'll just comment here numeric operation, and by numeric operation we're going to use all these here. So I'll just write a quick example, like I'll just use this because it's faster. So I just could declare a variable here, num1, so we're going to start with additional sign. So just do like $40. Okay, num1 plus num2 plus px. So I'm just going to save this file and check our app.css. So as you can see here, I've added these first number, which is 40, and second number, which is 2. Then I've added a string here. We're going to discuss about these string here. So I've just added a string here, which is pixel. So when we come to our app.css, it will add a SassScript will add these num1 num2, which is 40, then append pixel in it. So padding will be 20 pixels. So that's all. Yeah, that's how we use additional operators. Oh, let me use subtraction. So I'll just save my file. As you can see here, Sass has done the calculation. 40 minus 2, which is 38, so it will display 38. Then I've appended pixel in our code, so it will be 38 pixel. And also we can use multiplication here. You can multiply 40 times 2, and when we multiply num1 and num2 and append pixel in it, it will give us 40 times 2, which is 80, then 80 pixels. Then when we check our browser, you see our substitutes have been, as you can see here, padding is 80 pixel, and this affects our Sass stroke Sass SCSS tuts. So I'll use again these here, division. Okay, and when we divide that, we get, okay, it's not saved. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, I'll just restart my terminal here. Just pause the video. Okay guys, I just restarted my terminal, and as you can see, it shows rendered our this up here, this code here. as you can see, we've divided 40 pixel 40 with 2, which gives us 20. When we check our browser, you see this padding of 20. So that's how you use division in Sass.